Hello my dear students, welcome again to my class. So on our last class we have started chapter number 6. The name of the chapter was algebraic expressions, and we have completed the first two exercises of that chapter. So today we will start exercise 6c. So in this chapter we will discuss about the how to do subtraction, both the simple expressions and of compound expressions. So let's begin the chapter. Question number 1. Roman 1. So look at the question. Subtract the lower term from the upper term. So how you do subtraction? Normally from the upper term you have to subtract the lower one. So you write the question. It is 5x by 3x. Okay. So look carefully. Here both the signs are positive. Both the signs are positive. So especially only in case of subtraction we simply change the sign of the lower term. Here it is plus, so I will write minus, and while calculation also I will take minus sign of this number, not the plus one. Okay, so simply we will change the sign of the lower number. So it is plus, minus, it will be minus. 5 minus 3 is 2 and variable is x. Sign of 5 is greater, it is plus. Sign of 3 it is negative. So we will write this sign plus 2. So no need of giving plus signs. Conventionally we don't write. So see Roman number 2. It is minus 3x minus 7a. Minus 3a minus 7a. So I will change the sign first of all. It is minus sign, so I will write plus. So now plus minus it is minus. 7 minus 3 is 4. Variable is a, and now the 7 is greater, so sign of 7 is plus, so I will write plus 4a. So now see Roman number 3. It is given minus 6b square plus 4b square. So first of all we will change the sign. It is plus sign, so I will write minus. So minus minus it is plus. 6 plus 4 is 10. It will be b square. So sign of 6 is great. Since 6 is greater, so I will use the sign negative, minus 10b square. Okay. So now see question Roman number 5. It is 5cd and they are given 0. Since I have to do subtraction, so simply I will change the sign. It is plus, so I will write minus. So if I solve this one, plus minus it will be minus, and anything we from any number if we subtract 0, that means the outcome will be the same number itself. So 5cd is the answer, and the sign of this 5 is greater. So since 5 is greater, so I will use this sign plus 5cd. Okay. So see question Roman number 7. Roman number 7. 7ab square. Question is 7ab square by, again given 7ab square. I have to subtract one from the other. So simple, if I change the sign, it is plus, so it will be minus. So plus minus it is minus. They are also 7. They are also 7. It is also, they are also a. So everything are same. So plus minus it is minus. So if I if I subtract 7 from 7, 7 minus 7 is 0, and with 0 no need to give any variable. So answer is 0. Now see Roman 8. 5, 6, 8. Okay. So 1 by 3 p cube and minus 2 by 3 p cube. So simply first of all I will change the sign. It is minus, so the sign will be plus. Okay. So plus plus it is plus. So 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, you simply add 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, it will be 3 by 3. So that means answer is 1. So 1 p cube. So no need of writing 1, simply you write p cube, and the sign both the signs are positive, so answer will be in positive. So answer is only simple PQ. Okay. So see Roman number 9. It is given minus 4a minus b minus c. There are 3a minus b minus c. This part is same in both the case, and it is plus, so I will change the sign. It will be minus. Minus minus it is plus. So 4 plus 3 is 7. This part will be the same in this case also. This is the variable part, it will be same. So minus 7 a minus b minus c. Since both this part and both the terms that are given inside the bracket are same, so simply I kept it same, and I did the subtraction of this part minus 4, and after changing the sign it become minus. So minus minus it is plus. So answer will be in negative sign because 4 is greater. Okay. So now move to question number 2. Okay. Here all the given questions are in compounds as okay binomial. So you do question number 2, Roman 1. 5a plus 6 by 4a plus 3. So I have to do the subtraction. Yes, 5a plus 6 and 4a plus 3. So first of all I will change the sign. It is plus, so it will be minus. There it is plus, it will be minus. So plus minus it is minus, plus minus it is minus. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 is greater, so plus sign. Again plus minus it is minus. 5 minus 4 is 1. So no need of writing 1, only you write the variable a. And 5 is greater, so plus. No need of giving the sign. Answer is a plus 3. All of them are Roman 2. You try 3 also same. Let me do Roman number 4. Roman number 4. 7x square y minus 4, and lower term is given as 4x square y minus 7. Okay, so first of all I will change the sign. It is plus, so it will be minus. It is minus, so I will put plus sign. Okay, so minus plus it is minus. 7 minus 4 is 3, and since 7 is greater, so I will put plus sign. Again plus minus it is minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. X square y, variable will be same. 7 is greater, so plus sign. So 3x square 3x square plus 3. Okay, x square y plus 3. So see Roman number 7. Okay. Roman number 7. 6m cube minus 2n square, and lower term is minus 3m cube plus 5n square. Okay. So first of all I will change the sign. Since it is plus, so I will put minus, I will put plus sign, and this one is plus, so I will put minus sign. So now let me do minus minus it is plus. 5 plus 2 is 7. Variable is n square. I will put this one. 5 is greater, so minus sign. Again plus plus it is plus. 6 plus 3 it is 9 m cube, and 6 is greater, so plus. So plus 9 m cube minus 7 n square. Okay. So now see Roman number. Okay, let me do Roman number 10. Roman number 10 is 0, and lower part is given as 5x square minus 3y square. So first of all I will change the sign. It is plus, it will be minus. It is minus, it will be plus. So now anything subtracted from 0, answer is the number itself. So simply I will write it as 3y square. Sign will be here plus now, and there it is 5x square, and sign will be minus. So answer is minus 5x square plus 3y square. Okay, so now You see question number 3. Same like earlier, there are only terms, the given number of terms in these expressions are 3. So let me do Roman number 3. So question number 3, Roman number 3. Okay, so question is given 7m square plus mn minus 4n square. 7m square plus mn minus 4n square, and I have to subtract 5m square minus 3mn plus n square. So first of all, I will change the sign. It will be minus, there it will be plus, and in this case it will be minus. So now minus minus it is plus. 4 plus 1 will be 5n square. There is nothing, that means 1 is there. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 is greater, so minus sign. In this case also, plus plus it will be plus. 3 plus 1 will be 4, and variable will be mn. And there plus sign since 3 is greater. And in this case, plus minus it will be minus. 7 minus 5 is 3. 7, 2. And variable will be m square, and sign of 7 is greater, so it will be plus. So 2m square plus 4mn minus 5n square. Okay, so let's solve Roman number 4. Roman number 4 question is 2x square minus 7xy minus 8y square, and there it is again 2x square minus 7xy minus 8y square. So if I change the sign, it will be minus, it will be plus, it will be plus. See, both the terms are same. They are 2x square. They are also 2x square, they are 7y xy, they are also 7y xy, they are y cube, 8y square, they are also 8y square. Plus minus it is minus, so if I subtract this one, answer will be 0 again. Minus plus it is minus, so again it will cancel. Now it is minus plus it is minus, so all the terms are cancelled, so answer will be 0. Okay. Now see question number 4. How much is 0 greater than minus a square minus ab plus 7b square? So here 0 is the greater number. I have to subtract this one from 0. The number which one is given, the expression which one is given, minus a square minus ab plus 7b square. So simply I will write 0 minus this one. Okay, so let me solve. Directly you write 0 is greater than minus a square minus ab plus 7b square by, you do the subtraction. Directly you can write, or you can write 0 minus, and you give one bracket, a square minus ab plus 7b square minus a square minus ab plus 7b square. So if I 0 minus anything will be the same number, only the sign will be changed. So minus minus it will be plus a square, minus minus it will be plus ab, minus plus it will be minus 7b square. So this is the answer, a square plus ab minus 7b square. Okay, now see question number 5. So the area of a square is given, and a triangle inside the square has an area also given. So simply you have to find out the shaded portion. So there is a picture, you see a diagram. Question number 5. there is a triangle given, sorry, a square, okay, sorry, it is a square given and a triangle is inside. So you have to find this area of this shaded area which is outside this triangle. So first of all I will write given area of the square, given area of the square is equal to 4x square minus 2x minus 6 and the unit will be square unit. Okay. Again, given a triangle inside the square has an area x square minus 4x plus 5. So I will write area of the triangle is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 square units. So to find this area, simply I will subtract the whole area of this whole square and I will subtract the area of the triangle from this square. So I will get the shaded portion. If I subtract this portion from this square, then I will get the answer. So you write, therefore the area of shaded portion is equal to area of shaded portion is equal to, I will subtract from the area of square. So I will write it first. So let me write it here. 4x square minus 2x minus 6, 4x square minus 2x minus 6, and I will subtract the area of the triangle. So I will write it here, x square minus 4x plus 5. So now I will solve this one. So 4x square minus 2x minus 6, minus plus it is minus x square, minus minus it is plus 4x, and minus plus it is minus 5. So now I will this founded the like terms, 4x square here and there it is another one. So 4x square minus x square, it will be 3x square, and since 4 is greater, so I will give positive sign. So now these two finished. Now 2x, there is one 2x and another, there is one other term with variable x 4. So minus 2x plus 4x, minus plus it is minus, 4 minus 2 is 2, variable will be x, which one is greater here, 4. So I will put plus sign. So this one also finished. Now the constant terms, it is minus 6, it is minus 5. So minus minus it is plus, 6 plus 5 is 11 and sign will be minus. So answer is 3x square plus twice x minus 11, and it will be in square units. Okay, now see question number 6. Find the sum of x square minus 2x plus y square and x square plus 2xy plus y square. Subtract. So from the sum of, first of all I have to do the sum of first two expressions and then I have to subtract it from the third one. So let me do the sum first. So let's do the, okay. So question number 6. So first of all you write, first of all I have to do the sum. So write sum of x square minus 2xy plus y square and x square plus 2xy plus y square will be equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. I will write both the term, there will be plus sign, then x square plus 2xy plus y square. So let me remove the bracket. Plus y square, since it is plus, so everything will be same. X square plus 2xy plus y square. You see here, minus 2xy plus 2xy, minus plus, it is minus. 2 minus 2 will be 0, so I can cancel it. So there one x square, there another x square. X square plus x square will be 2x square, and y square plus y square will be 2y square. So this is the sum of first two terms. Now I have to subtract it from, yes, I have to subtract x square minus 4xy plus 4y square from this one. So from the sum of what? From the sum, so I got the sum. From this sum I have to subtract x square minus 4xy plus 4y square. So I will write, now I have to do the subtraction, so I will write 2x square. I leave some space there, I will write 2y square, and there the third expression I will write it here as x square, it is given, minus 4xy. That's why I left this space to write this one. I have to simply put the same variable in same column. So there it will be plus 4y square. So first of all I will change the sign. It is plus, so it will be minus. It is minus, it will be plus, and there it will be minus. So minus plus minus, it is minus. 4 minus 2, it will be 2y square, and since 4 is greater, so it has minus sign, so I will put it here. Then this one will be same, there is nothing, that means I will write the same term here, and it will be now in plus sign. And now it is plus minus, it is minus. 2 minus 1, it will be 1, so no need of writing 1, only variable part x square. So since 2 is greater, so plus. So x square plus 4xy minus 2y square. So this is the answer. So now question number 7. Subtract the sum of two expressions are given, 9b square minus 3c square and 2b square plus bc minus 2c square from the sum of 2b square minus 2bc minus c square and c square plus 2bc minus b square. So first of all, there are 4 expressions given. So first of all I will do the sum of first two expressions, then I will do the sum of second two expressions, and then I will minus the sum of second two expressions from the sum of first. So this one I will explain, you have to do. So first of all I will do the sum of first two expressions. I will get a value, let it be S1. Then again I will do the sum of the next two expressions, and I will get another answer, let it be S2. And then you write now and simply subtract this one, S2 minus S1. You will get the answer. You try it by yourself. So now question number 12. What values of A and B makes the given statement true? So question number 12, you see, high order thinking. Now there it is given, you write it in one line, ay square plus 3xy minus 9x square, then again minus sign, then minus 4y square plus 8xy plus bx square, then bracket is closed, then equals to 10y square minus 5xy and minus 10x square. So I have to find the value of A and B. There is one term A and there is another term B. So I have to find these values. So first of all I have to solve this one. So let me solve. So it will be same, ay square plus 3xy minus 9x square, minus minus it is plus 4y square, minus plus it is minus 8xy, and minus plus it is again minus bx square. Now I will give equal sign and I will write this part same, 10y square minus 5xy minus 10x square. So now I will arrange this part, the like terms in one side, okay. So a y square, here is another term with y square variable there. So a y square plus 4y square in together, then plus this plus 3xy, and there is another term with xy minus 8xy. Then the last one minus 9x square, and there is minus bx square is equal to 10y square. This part will be same, minus 10x square. So now let's solve this one. So here you see both the term has same variable y square, so I can take it as common. So there I can write a plus 4 and y square is common term. A plus 4 and y square is, after taking y square common, both the term is y square. So I will take only y square out. After taking y square, which one left? There are a left, there are plus sign, and there are 4 left. So I will write this one. So now for next part, you see plus minus, it is minus 8 minus 3 is 5. Then variable will be xy and the sign will be minus because 8 is greater than 3. So now for this part, you see both this term have same variable x square. So like earlier, I will give minus sign, and after giving minus sign, first of all I will write 9 and then I will write plus. Why plus? Because if I solve this one, you see minus plus it is minus and minus plus it will be minus. If I write minus here, then minus minus it will be plus, it will not match with this part, so I have to give plus sign. Minus plus it is minus, that's why I give plus, and common term is x square. So first of all I will write x square written. After removing x square, which one left? There are 9 left and there are only b left. So first of all I have taken this minus also common. So minus plus it is minus 9x square, and minus plus it is minus 9 minus b square. So this one is matching with that part. Now I will write this one same, 10yx square minus 5xy minus 10x square. So now you see there is a term with y square, there is also a term with y square. There is minus 5xy, there is also minus 5xy, and there again minus, there also minus sign. Then a term given with x square, there also 10 is given with x square. So this both the expressions are same. So simply we will equate both the parts. So right. Equating both the equating the like terms on both the side of the equation. So we get, so now we will equate both the parts. So you see I can write this one equal to this one equal to this one, same you see minus 5x, there also minus 5xy, and this one equal to the last term. So I will write, leave the variable part, there y square, there is square, y square, only will write a plus 4 equals to 10. Leave the variable part, there also y square, there also y square, which one left? A plus 4 and they are 10. So one side this one, and another part will be 9 plus b and they are 10. So I will write 9 plus b equals to 10. Now I will solve with this. So there will be a, and if I change the side it will be minus 4, there will be 9, and if I change, it will be plus and 10, and if I change the side of 9 it will be minus 9. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and 10 minus 9 is 1. So Therefore, the value of A is 6 and value of B is 1. So now this exercise finish here. So now we will do exercise 6D. You have to do simplify. Simplify. So question number 1 is 5x plus 3x minus 7. 5x plus 3x minus 7. So first of all I will remove the bracket, plus it will be same. So now if I solve these two part, you see this both the term have same variable. So 5 plus 3 it will be 5, 6, 7, 8 and x will be the variable and they are minus 7. So this is the answer. So now do question number 3. 6x plus minus 7x minus 2y. Okay. So first of all I will only remove the bracket, plus minus it is minus 7x, plus minus it is minus 2y. So this both these term are like terms, so 6 minus 7 it will be minus 1. So we don't give 1, simply we will write the variable and it will be minus 2y. I solved this part. Plus minus it is minus 7 minus 6 is 1x, so we don't write 1, simply we write the variable minus x, and since 7 is greater, so I will put minus sign, minus x minus 2y. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is 5a minus, then bracket given 4a minus 3x. So let me write 5a minus 4a minus 3x. So there is minus sign, so first of all I will remove the bracket, minus plus it is minus 4a, minus minus it is plus 3x. So 5a minus 4a, plus minus it is minus, 5 minus 4 is 1, so only variable a, and since 5 is greater, so we will put there will be plus sign and left 3x. So answer is a plus 3x. So now question number 6, you see 2y minus 3y plus 2, then minus 6 plus 3y minus 8. Okay. The question is 2y, then minus bracket given 3y plus 2, then again minus 6 plus 3y minus 8. So first of all I will remove the bracket, it will be 2y, minus plus it is minus 3y, minus plus it is minus 2, then they are minus 6, then plus 3y, plus plus it is plus, and plus minus it is minus, so 3y minus 8. So now I will arrange the like terms. You see 2x here, 3y, so okay, let me arrange 2y minus 3y, and directly I can write plus 3y, and they are minus 2, minus 6, minus 8. So you see minus 3y plus 3y, minus plus it is minus, so I can cancel both the terms. So the answer will be here 2y left, only 2y left, and this part you see minus minus it is plus, 6 plus 2 is 8, then again minus minus it will be plus, 8 plus 8 it will be 16, and sign will be minus, so answer will be twice y minus 16. So now see question number 7. Question is 3c minus 2c plus 5d minus d. 3c minus 2c plus 5d, then again minus d. So First of all, I'll do this bracket part 3c minus plus it will be minus 2c minus plus it will be minus 5d, and at last it is minus d. So like terms you see, plus minus it will be minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 it will be 1, so only c. And again minus minus it will be plus, 5 plus 1 it will be 6d, and sign will be minus, so c minus 6d. Now let's do question number 9. Question number 9. 3x minus, that bracket, x minus in first bracket 4x plus 3y plus 5y, bracket close, sorry there bracket close, here it is. So now it is correct. So answer is 3x minus, then third bracket given, x minus first bracket 4x plus 3y, and then at last it is plus 5y. So first of all I will solve this bracket, so it will be same here up to this much, then I will give the bracket. So now I will remove this first bracket, x minus plus it will be minus 4x minus plus it will be minus 3y, and at last it is plus 5y. So I will solve this part. So you see both these terms are like terms, so I can plus minus it will be minus 4 minus x 1 it will be 3x, and sign of 4 is since 4 is greater, so I will put minus 3x. Again minus plus it is minus 5 minus 3 is 2, variable is y, and since 5 is greater, so I will put plus sign here. Now 3x minus plus minus minus it is plus 3x, and minus plus it is minus 2y. So 3x plus 3x it will be 6x, and there it will be minus 2y. So answer is 6x minus 2y. So now question number 10 is also same. Okay, let me do question number 11. Question number 11. It is minus sign given, then second bracket minus 2b, then minus 3b plus 8c. So this is the question. So first of all, let me do this part. Let it be minus, see it will be same, minus plus it will be minus 3b, minus minus it will, minus plus it will be minus 8c, and then close the bracket, then minus sign. Okay, let me solve this part. Minus 2b and minus 3b, so we know minus minus it is plus, 3 plus 2 is 5, variable is b, and since 3 is greater, so I will put minus sign, and there it will be 8c. So now again I will remove the bracket, it will be minus minus it will be plus 5c, and minus minus again it is plus 8c. So answer is 5b plus 8c. So now move to question number 13. Evaluate the expressions given below for a is equal to minus 4. So there the value of a is given. In each case you have to put this value. Here given value of a is minus 4. So in Roman number 1, 2, 3 and 4, in every case we have to put the value of a as minus 4, and you have to solve the expression. Okay, so now question number 13. Okay, let me do Roman number 1. It is given a plus 8. So I have to take the value of a as minus 4. So in place of a I can write first of all given a is equal to minus 4. So for every case I have to, in place of a I have to put minus 4. So I will put minus 4. There is plus 8. So I will write this is the value of a. In place of a I wrote minus 4, and there are plus signs, so plus, and at last 8. Okay, so now I have to solve this one. So minus 4 plus 8, minus plus it is minus, 8 minus 4 is 4, and since 8 is greater, so I will put plus sign, so it will be positive, answer will be positive. Okay, so now Roman number 3, 2 you try. 7a square plus 7a minus 20. 7a square plus 7a minus 20. So in place of a square I have to put the value as minus 4 square. Value of a is minus 4, so it will be minus 4 square plus 7 into minus 4, and at last it is 20, minus 20. So I will solve 7. So one thing you listen, if the power is even number, then minus sign removes. If it is if the power is given 2, 4, 6 like this, then if it is the answer, this number inside the bracket, if it is minus, then simply the minus sign will move. Okay, and if the number is, the cube term is odd, then this minus term will be there. So simply I can write it as 4 square, it is 16, and answer will be plus 16, minus sign will remove. So 1 is 7 into 16, and again if I solve this one, 7 4s are 28, and minus plus minus it is minus, and at last it is minus 20. So 7 16s are, it is 112 minus 28 minus 20. Okay. So 112, and minus minus it is plus. So 28 plus it is 48. 112 minus 48. So 12 minus 8 is 4, and there 10 minus 4 is 64. So answer is 64, and sign will be positive because 112 is greater. So now let's do Roman number 4. Roman number 4 question is a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 5. So in place of a cube I have to put 4 cube minus 4 cube, then 2, in place of a I have to put minus 4 and then square there, then again in place of a I have to put minus 4, and at last it is 5. So 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, and 16 4s are is 64, and earlier I have said if the power is even, odd number, then minus sign will be there, then 2 into, and 4 square is 16, there will be no minus sign, then minus minus it is plus 4, and at last it is plus 5. So minus 64 plus 16 2s are 32, and then plus 4 plus 5. So leave this one and let me solve this part. 32 plus 4 is 36, 36 plus 5 is 41. So minus plus it is minus, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So answer will be minus 23. So question number 14 also same, only here the true value is given, m is given as minus 2 and n is given as 6. So you have to put the value of m and n in each case, and you have to find the answer. So I will do Roman number 4. 1 2 3 you try. Question number 14, given m is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to 6. So I have to put the value of m as minus 2 and n as 6. So for Roman number 4 I will do 3m cube plus 2m square m plus n cube. So I will write first of all 2m cube. M is minus 2, so minus 2 cube plus 2. M value of m is minus 2 and power 2 is there, that means minus 2 square, and at last n, so value of n is 6. Then again plus value of n is given as 6 and there will be cube. So 3. It is a odd number, that means minus sign will be there. So 2 cube is 8, that means into minus 8 plus 3 into minus 8, write it in one bracket. Then plus 2 into minus 2 square is 4 and at last it is 6, and 6 cube is 216. 6 6 that 36, and if you multiply 36 with 6 again you will get 216. So 3 8s are 24 and minus plus it will be minus, then they are given plus 4 2s are 8 and 8 6s are 48, and at last it is plus 216 minus 24. First of all I will do this positive part, plus plus it is plus, so 216 plus 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 4 plus 1 5 and 1 6, so 264. Okay, so their sign will be plus sign. Minus plus it is minus 264 minus 24, so 4 minus 4 it will be 0, then 6 minus 4, that is 16 minus 4, sorry what, 4 minus 4 is 0, 6 minus 2 will be 4 and there it will be 2, so answer is 240. So same question number 15, there are 3 values given. X is equal to given as 2, the value of x is given as 2, a is equal to minus 1 and b is minus 3. So you have to put this value in each of the expression and you have to find the result. So let me do Roman number 2. Question number 15, given x is equal to 2, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 3. I am doing Roman number 2. 3x square minus 8ab plus 4x square plus 11ab. 3x square minus 8ab plus 4x square plus 11ab. So value of x is 2. So I will write 3 into 2 square minus value of a is given as minus 1 and b as minus 3 plus again 4. A value of x is 2, that means 2 square plus 11 into, before putting the value I can solve this one. See, these two terms are like term, so 3 plus minus it is minus, so it will be only x square, plus plus it is plus 4 5 6 7 x square, and there you see minus plus it is minus, so answer will be plus 3ab. So now you put the value, so 7 into 2 square plus 3 into value of a is given as minus 1 and b as minus 3. So 7, 2 square is 4 plus, you see minus minus it is plus and plus plus it is again plus. So 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. 7 4s are 28 plus 9. It is 37. So answer is 37. First of all I solved because these are like terms, 3x square and 4x square, and they are minus 8ab and they are plus 11ab. So first of all I solved this part and then I put the values. So the last question of this exercise, question number 18, high order thinking. High order thinking, question number 18. So given if 4a minus 3 is equal to 13, then find the value of the given expression 10a square minus 5a plus 6. So first of all I will find the value of a. So given, you write 4a minus 3 is equal to 13. So if I change the side of this minus 3, then it will be plus 3. So 13 plus 3, 4a is equal to 13 plus 3 is 16. So a is equal to 16 by 4. So if I cancel, 4 4s are 16. So value of a comes as 4. So now you put the value of a in this expression. So write therefore you write the you have to find the value of this one, 10a square minus 5a plus 6. So in place of a square I will put the value 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 6. So 10, 4 square is 16 and minus 5 4s are 20 plus 6. So 16 into 10, 16 10s are is 160 minus 20 plus 6 you write and then you say. You solve it here. Minus plus it is minus, 20 minus 6 is 14. So now if I solve this one, it will be 160 minus 14, 10 minus 4 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4, 146. So it will be positive, so answer will be 146. So question was, first of all you have to find the value of a. It is given as 4a minus 3 is equal to 13. So from that, first of all I find the value of a, then I put it in the equation, in the expression 10a square minus 5a plus 6 and I got 146. So this is the answer. So this is the end of this chapter, and tomorrow we will start a new chapter. So if you have any doubt and queries, you can contact me. Thank you.